Okay, here is the project you're going to be doing. When you get your books, you will have the first day's worth of things to do. Now, I have this set up so that you are working on 1 week per day. So you'll go in here to your daily inbox and you should see the first week's worth of receipts and such. So if you look here, there are several receipts for that first week of December. You're going to be cutting these out with scissors and putting them in order. Now, you'll have to look on here a little bit, but I have put dates on here for you to acknowledge. So you'll see on here, there are some dates so that you should be having no issue wondering what date these are happening on because I wrote them on there for you. Again, you're going to be cutting them out and putting them in order. These are receipts. Receipts are meaning that you spent money, and all of these receipts you used a debit card for. Then I have what is an earning statement. So you got a paycheck stub. This paycheck stub happened on 12/6. That's the pay date. How much did you get paid? There it is. You're going to have to record this in the order that you put it in. There's also some other deposits that you're going to have. So I put little edges around where you're going to want to cut these. And again, these are dates. You're going to have to fill out a deposit slip just like this tells you to. And then you also have a bill that you have to pay. This is your mortgage. You're going to be cutting around it. Again, you're going to be writing a check and you are going to be addressing an envelope. So what does this look like after you put these in order? Well, if you go to the second page in your book, you'll see the checkbook register. You're going to put a starting deposit on here. I will write that on here in just a second, or I'll let you know that in just a second. You also have checks to pay your bills. You have deposit slips for your deposits. You have envelopes for when you have to mail a bill off. And when you do this, just like we did before, you're going to have to attach the envelope to the check, to the perforated or whatever you cut off, you have to mail away, and you'll clip them together and you'll have to put them in the mailbox because this is something that's going to the mail. You'll put it in here and you will clip it. If you have any deposits, those go to the bank, so you're going to put them in here and you're going to clip it. Hopefully this makes sense. You're really going to need to go through here and try your best to understand these receipts and how much you spent, what the total amount was that you spent. Really look for that. It's really important. Once you get week 1 done, if you get that done in earlier than a period, kudos to you. There's actually 4 weeks and you'll have to show the sub that you've got this done and you're ready for the next step. Okay,